Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Wow.
What is it? What is it?
I don't know. I don't know what his name is.
That's Captain America? And who else is with him?
Who is him? There's only two. There's only one with him. Who is it? Who is that guy? Who is that? A Wolverine. It's Captain America with Wolverine. It's what's in this present.
The comic book in it, and the comic book is them together fighting.
Yeah, comic book. They're fighting.
What are you opening now?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
What is it?
This is Santa Claus.
Is it a shirt?
Yeah.
Who's on it?
Spider-Man.
Yeah. Spider-Man.
That's not a present. It's a wrap of paper.
Wow, London?
Superhero books. It's books.
Those are comic books.
Comics books.
Yeah. You can add that to your collection of comic books.
There's lots of them, Daddy.
Bunch of them.
There's lots of them.
Which ones are in there? You see?
Can you name them? That's G.I. Joe.
G.I. Joe.
That one's X-Men.
X-Men.
X-Factor.
X-Factor.
That says The Incredible Hulk.
Incredible Hulk. Let's see. No, this one. No, this one first.
That's the Hulk.
Oh, this.
That one's X-Men.
And here's. And what is this one?
That's the Hulk. The Incredible Hulk.
What did she got? What did she carry? What is he carrying?
Maybe he rescued somebody. Ask Daddy.
What she's carrying? What is she carrying? What is Hulk carrying?
I think it's the girl that he saved.
What?
I think it's the girl that he saved.
I think it's a girl is dead. Yeah. What is this one?
That's Iron Man.
Iron Man. What is this one?
What's Iron Man doing?
I don't know.
What is these one?
Let me see. Is that G.I. Joe?
Yeah, Joe.
Oh, that's the backside. Turn it over.
Flash.
Ooh, the Flash.
No, we
And?
gotta do this Iron Man and Spider-Man. And here's Flash.
One. That's the first Flash book. It's called Flash
Uh-huh. And look at this one. What is this one?
That says Batman.
And what is wrong with all these? Cars? Are they cars all in a pile? Are there cars falling down in a pile?
Yeah, he's at a junkyard, and all the bad guys are hiding. We gotta find them. Robin's in that one too.
Ooh, there's Batman.
There he is. the X Factor book. That is actually
No, what is this one?
That's Batman.
What is him?
I don't know who he is.
There's Robin.
Robin? That's Batman and Robin on the cover.
And who is him?
Let me see. That says Silver Surfer.
Silver Surfer. Who is this one?
Moon, what is it? Moon Knight. I don't know who that is.
A red one? You don't know what a red one is?
Nope.
Okay, let's see what this is. We got two ornaments.
You and your dad got the same exact gift.
Santa.
Come here. Bring that over here.